Okay, so this is a part of this. This is basically like a, I don't know how to describe it, but basically it's somewhere where mainlanders shop and hang out. So usually when I come over here, it's like basically. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So usually when I come over here, it's like basically almost all mainlanders. So actually today it's a little bit interesting seeing there's people that look like mainlanders that probably got their visas, work visas, to be able to run and operate shops. But usually I associate this with that element. And actually here they'll sell like stuff that's basically catering all to the mainland. So there'll be like all these watches. I have filmed in this area before, so I don't want to focus too much, but you'll see like watches for sale, golden Buddhas, pharmacy over there, saunas. So yeah, it's basically whiskeys and liquors that people can buy. So yeah, this area, I don't know the name of it, but it's basically Hotel Fortuna. The racetrack also comes through here too. So actually this area, there's almost nobody here, but usually you'll see all kinds of people just kind of hanging around. And I'm not sure what I think they're like soliciting things, but I'm not really sure exactly what they're soliciting. It's hard to say. But yeah, this street usually has a lot more people around. So I don't know if the people here, they might be mainlanders, and I think some of them can come in through like a short quarantine process, or they're here from way long before. I'm not 100% sure. So but yeah, this is generally a place that's quite popular among and right straight ahead, this is Lisboa and Grand Lisboa. It's just for a little context of where we are in this video. And you can get some restaurants. There's the Cote Strip, which is the main strip area, but then this one will have like the MGM and some other ones in here, Wynn. But then these ones will be a little bit like cheaper, basically. Japanese restaurant. So yeah, this is very Chinese-ish. And then actually maybe like 9 months ago I used to do a lot of these videos where I would try to talk about the gold and how much it would cost. So I think some of those videos are still up there. They definitely are still up there. Just for reference, they could be like that could be like $1,000. If you're interested in me doing another one, I can do new ones as well. So yeah, this one is usually busier as well, but it's quite quiet at the moment too. And I always kind of feel like a lot of these are like, I think some of these might be pawn shops. So maybe they buy, maybe brand new, I don't know. But people will spend a lot of money on watches. And I think the gold and silver is all kind of connected with money laundering. So I think they're basically like, you know, you can buy a bunch of gold and silver and it's not really traceable, right? So I think that's generally what those things are all about. And I think we're just gonna end this video. So it's a Shanghai restaurant right here. And then we'll just kind of film from this angle, and then we're gonna close this down. So that's the street that we just went down. It's that one. So we're gonna close this right here. Come back, Paradise Casino right there.